Watch this video and learn how to draw a cool pineapple. Later in the show, Baritone does a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie go for a potty break. Ooh! Artie, are you ready?
Yeah!
It's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hi, Artie.
I got pencils, my
Artie?
pocket pens, and then
Artie,
other
we're all
things.
here.
I'll go get my paper.
Oh,
and
boy.
everything. Oh, hello. Artie didn't see you. Welcome to Artie's show. I am Artie, and we're going to do a drawing. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Mikey Marker.
And I'm Betty Brush.
And
Welcome to Artie's show.
It's a wonderful day today.
Let's draw a pineapple.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Oh, Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait.
Okay, Artie, come on, let's begin.
Can't wait.
Now we're going to have our pineapple wearing sunglasses to make him look really cool. So let's start by drawing the sunglasses. You look cool, Artie, when you're wearing your sunglasses.
Yeah.
You're a cool dude. Start by drawing the top section of the sunglasses. It looks a little bit like a sort of bird flying through the sky. And then come down the right side and then down the left. That's it, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, let's finish the sunglasses. Up you go. Then come back down. That's the section that sits on your nose. And then go across and complete the shape of the sunglasses. Excellent. That looks really good.
Hey, Artie! Oh, wow, nice drawing. It needs a little song. It needs some song and a voice and...
Thank you, Barry.
Okay, I'll go.
Thank you. We didn't really need a song. Artie's busy doing this drawing. Now, Artie, we're going to draw the inner shape of the sunglasses. The sort of windows, if you like. One on the left. That's it. Now let's do the same on the right side. Oh, this pineapple is going to be a really cool dude.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
He's really talented, guys. Okay, Artie, let's shade in these sunglasses. We're going to shade them in so that they're completely black. It's going to take a little bit of patience, so don't rush. Take your time. Do you remember that time I lost my sunglasses, Artie? We looked everywhere for them, and I was sat on them.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Good job, Artie. You're really taking your time. Sometimes if you rush, you draw outside the lines by mistake. So it's important to be patient.
Yeah. What does patient mean?
Well, patient means just being calm, not rushing, and just really taking your time.
Oh.
You're nearly done, Artie. You see, patience really pays off. That looks fantastic.
Yeah. I've had an idea.
Oh, are you going to clean your room?
No.
Oh, I didn't think so.
Artie wants a dance break.
We can have a dance break.
Yeah. Let's go do dance break. Dance break.
Clap along, little artists.
Judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
He always gets a 10.
Dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Barry did great.
Oh, yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw some jagged lines inside the windows of our sunglasses, and that'll make it look a little bit like a reflection, like the glass part is shiny. Coming up, Artie's going to have a potty break. Ooh! Now let's draw the left side of our pineapple. We're going to draw a line, but it's going to be a sort of wobbly line, all the way up towards the top of the pineapple. Now let's draw the chin section across the bottom, a nice big curve around. That's it. Now let's go up the right side with another bumpy line all the way towards the top. That's it. Oh, Bunny Fluffington is here. Hi, Bunny.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Artie, your drawings are so good. I'd hang them in my bunny burrow.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
See you soon, my artsy friend.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah, that was a nice visit from Bunny.
Yeah.
Now, Artie, let's draw the leaves that stick up out of the top of the pineapple. I bet you didn't know that this top section is called the crown.
Why?
Well, because it looks like the pineapple is wearing a royal crown.
Oh.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Let's draw a few more leaves coming out of the top. That's it, Artie. Perhaps another one on top of that. Very good. Now let's do some on the left side. You're doing a really good job, Artie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Artie need potty break.
You need to go potty break?
Yeah.
Okay, of course.
Yeah.
We'll go on then.
Okay. Potty break. Yeah.
It's the other way, Artie.
No, that way. Okay, Artie good now.
You feel better?
Back to drawing.
Oh, good. Let's finish the crown. Wow, Artie, it really does look like our pineapple is wearing a crown. Now let's add some texture and draw the pineapple's outer skin. Of course, you can't eat this part. You have to chop up the pineapple and eat the inside, what's called flesh.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Oh, wow. Oh.
Yes, the flesh of a pineapple is really, really yummy, Artie.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
I thought ice cream was your favourite.
Pineapple flavored ice cream.
Well, that's not really the same as eating actual pineapple now, is it?
No.
Real pineapple and pineapple juice is very good for you. It's extremely healthy and very yummy.
I'm finished.
You should colour it in now, Artie.
Yeah, color it in. Color it in. Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Wonderful work, Artie.
Yeah.
I love the colours.
What?
Bright yellow and bright green.
Artie's very tired now. Artie needs a nap. Yeah.
Okay, you can have a nap.
Oh, yes, please.
Bye, Artie.
Hey, kids, have a great day.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, little artists. I hope you have an arty day.